Good morning, everybody. Hope you all had a great weekend, long weekend, and ready for the new year. Let's see what's going on. It's gonna be a short week, so yeah. So futures were open since Sunday, and we got a lot of news going on over the weekend. And right now, market is gapping down. It's not a major red day because Microsoft is still holding up. So we'll see. It's a battleground. Either Microsoft is gonna lift everything up, which is a small chance, or if it joins the drop, then it's gonna get really crazier. So let's see what's going on. ES pre-market right now, still below 4808, and pre-market 5 is pointing down. 1530 need to dead cross to need to have a dead cross confirmation for more drops. 1 hour we're getting close to a golden cross, and what's most interesting is that the 4 hour we're getting a yellow bar. So that's really interesting. The market resisting to drop again. Watch out for major names: Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft. So Microsoft is very strong pre-market. If Microsoft continues going up, maybe other techs tag along. Maybe we get some quick jumps up at open, and then if Microsoft fails and then goes lower, and which other techs are weaker, then it's gonna be big trouble. So if keep an eye on the 4 hour this week. Once you see 4 hour MACD golden cross on many names, then we can have another run up. But in general, daily and 4 hour MACD is pointing down. NQ to do because of Microsoft is strong. 1 hour MACD golden cross. We got a 4 hour yellow bar on the TTM squeeze. Daily MACD is still curving down, and you can see here stochastic fast on the daily is about to dead cross, so that's not gonna be a good sign. It is possible to have a bigger red day if one bad news or one bad earning or whatever catalyst this week happens. It's possible to have lows of 4700 SPX retest. Dow Jones. We're still very bullish on weekly, and all the indexes futures, they're still very bullish on the weekly charts. So that's why there is a hope, and deep buyers are still super active. RUT making a new low right now, and it's still very bearish, and I will show you on IWM. TNX 2% higher. If it goes above 40.42, big trouble there. 4 hours curved up, 1 hour golden cross looking bullish pre-market. Again, watch out for 40.42. Past that one, 41.68 is the next target. DXY green, VIX is green. DXY is opening above 103, and this all this trouble in Yemen all can cause more trouble, and looking very bullish actually on 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. So 103, 183. See if that passes, we're looking at 103.676, 104.369. Keep an eye on DXY. If DXY continues going higher, it can be more trouble for techs. Wix 5% higher. It's 14. Somebody loaded up big on Friday, far out of the money. So maybe he knows something, and a lot of people hedged. So weekly MACD is curved up. If it golden crosses, it's gonna be a very bad for news for market. Daily MACD was about to dead cross, but today is super green day opening. It causing it to divert up, and the 4 hour is very upward. So keep an eye on VIX 14.14. If it passes that one, 14.47, 14.79 next target. If it goes crazy, 15.86. Need to get below 13.73 and go back to 13.07 for market reversal and upward run. BTC 2% lower, starting a downtrend right now. We got dark blue bar, the bars on the TTM squeeze on weekly, so the weakness is there, and a lot of people are exiting for now. So we'll see if it breaks 40k, it's gonna be in big trouble. Right now 41, 42 is defending. Daily MACD is curved down, and a lot of cryptos got killed last week. Apple, bad news keep coming in. They're slashing the prices in China, which rarely happens, and then the competition is high, and this is very alarming. So it's opening below 183.2, and next target levels are 181.13, 179.51. It is possible to open and drops. If 181.13 passes, 171.51 easy comes. If 180 passes is strong, then we're looking at these levels next. Pre-market right now 31 hour, 4 hour very bearish, and once the 4 hour and daily opens, we'll see what's gonna happen. Weekly MACD is dead cross, so the weakness is serious there. Amazon Pre-market is still hovering around up and down, so it's all about two key levels to watch: 153.06, 154.18. Past 154 can go for run up again. Below 153, next supports are 150, 148.3. Pre-market mixed signal, so we have to see opening action. Nvidia making a new high. 553 is a key level to watch. That's the all-time high. If it passes that one, we're looking at 557 and then 564. Pre-market looking very bullish, and the 15:30 1 hour, 4 hour RSI is still in the overbought zone, very still super bullish on daily and weekly. And yeah, so if it goes below 545, then you can go for pullback. 4 hour is that cross, but it's still it's establishing a range if you look at the 4 hour chart. So we'll see if it's gonna break up higher, and most likely that's the scenario, possible scenario, but don't see a big chance for a big drop there yet. AVGO tagging along Nvidia right now is hovering around 1101. 1115 is a key level to watch. If it passes that one, we're good to go for 1138, 1162. And 4 hour, we got some dark blue bars, and pre-market right now 30 and 1 hour is downward, so it's possible to establish some range, and then we'll see if it's gonna break up or break down. Baba and these Chinese name, I'm really about to give up on this Chinese name. I gave up on Bidu and replaced it with AVGO, which was very wise. And Baba, I'm really close to do the same. They just non-stop bad news, nothing good news comes in it for, catalyst for pushing it up, and volatility is becoming less and less there. So even if it goes down or up, it's not reliable. One day goes up, the next day gaps down, then it repeats again. So for today, watch 7108, 6905 breaks. Either one can make a bigger move. Very bearish, is still under daily and weekly, and 4 hours dead cross right now. So if it's 70 can hold it, we're looking at 6905, 67, 6577. Netflix opening flat so far. 15:30 was upward. 1 hour we got yellow bar, and the 4 hours near dead cross. So earning is getting very close there. Key levels for watching today is 490.44, 493.88. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Above 493, 495, 497, 499, 50, 45. Below 490, retest 487, 484. So we'll see what's going to happen. Opening action at open. Meta is still very strong. 4 hours dead crossing is getting very close to all-time high. Very bullish on daily and weekly, but the 4 hour right now is dead crossing, so it's possible to establish a range. 471, 467. If market pulls back, those are the next support. Need to get above 477.91 for run up to all-time high 484, which does have a chance to happen this week. So keep an eye on Meta. Once 47.791 breaks, all-time high 484 can come above that. Have to get the next target. Tesla, just poor Tesla. That's all I can say. Elon Musk wants control of the company. He has a lot of ideas. He has a lot of project in his mind, but he's not bringing it into the Tesla. Instead, he opens a new company. So Tesla is gonna continue as a child, is continue growing, but he's focusing on other child. Same way he's raising his kids. He has, I don't know, dozens of kids, and he grow them. He moves on. He goes to the next child. Now his last child is his favorite. So same thing. It's possible to happen to Tesla. I mean, I hope Tesla goes higher, but for now, Tesla is being left out, and he wants some bigger piece of Tesla before he brings more products into Tesla. So for now, weekly and daily are very bearish until the 4 hours not dead cross. Don't expect a major bounce up there. This one is on a downtrend. Even on Friday, it had a nice jump up at open, then it gave it away, and then boom, went lower. So maybe it happens today again. If it opens, jumps to 16, to 19, 26, pass, we're looking at 220, 223, 226, but in general direction is down. If 214 passes, 210, 207, 207 is a major level. Most likely is possible to come this week. 207, 75. Below that, we're looking at 203, 199.77, 197.31. Yeah. So Microsoft making a new all-time high pre-market, and right now if it opens and jumps up, next target is 397.93. is looking super bullish. Everything is just upward from 5 to weekly. This is just a perfect trend. So 397.93 passes. Next major level, if 400 passes, is 420.1, which is a small chance to come maybe before earning. But again, if you see 1530 MACD dead crosses and joins the pullback, the weakness of the market, 489.46. That's a key level to watch. Past that one, it can pull back to the lower levels. So just keep that in mind. Um, Google daily weekly very bullish. Weekly is on the edge to have it. It was dead cross last week, but I'm not. it was golden crossing last week, but I don't. I see a little bit diverted back. So if it confirms, which most likely it will, and then 142.67 is a key level to watch. Is resisting to drop. Most likely all time high is close to come. So it's all about 142.67, 144.72. Past that one can go crazier higher, 146, 148, and 151. So yeah, keep an eye on Google pre-market. Nothing bullish, just kind of flat mixed signal. So two key levels, 140.62, 142.67. Breaks either one, bigger moves can come. AMD got an upgrade and run up. Four opening 4 points higher. All about 151.02. This season high was 151.05. Right now it's getting close to it. So once it passes that one, we're looking at the 151.02 as the major level I have. If it passes that one, 152.41, 154.67, 156.93 is the next major level. 4 hour is near golden cross. So if once that one confirms, we can go for another launch up. What else? Boeing is just non-stop again, same like Tesla. Bad news keep coming in. 211.95 was a major level. Right now is passing it. So next one to watch is 208.57. If it can hold that one, 205, 203.11. Below 200 is going to be a disaster, all the way down to 196.91. And if it gets very worse, 190.7. Pre-market right now, 5 is down, 15 is about to dead cross, 31 hour, 4 hour, everything downward. Daily downward, weekly, we got a dark blue bar, so trend is down, 203.11, possible to come this week at minimum. SPY gapping down 2 points. Pre-market some kind of mixed signal. 30 is up, 1 hour is near golden cross, but the 4 hour we don't have a yellow bar yet. Because this one is interesting. ES is giving a yellow bar, but SPY is not, because ES it opened on Sunday, and SPY opens on Monday afternoon. So that's why ES and SPY giving a little bit mixed signal. So anyway, we'll see. 457.57, that's a key level to watch. If it passes that one, we are good to go for a run up again. But if 474.12 can't hold it, next targets are 473, 471.77. Below 471, it can be a disaster and go lower. QQQ. 1 hour is golden cross, 4 hours still downward, so 407 is hovering around it, all about 408.99 or 406.45. Breaks either one, bigger move can come. If it opens and jumps, 408.99 comes, and 408.99 if it passes, we're looking at those higher level. If 407 can hold it, 406.45 at minimum can come, and breaks 405, we are looking at 404, 402, 401.54 next targets. IWM gap down, looking bearish pre-market, and this one it's all about 189.57. If that one breaks, we're looking at lower faster, goes to 186.11. Coin is just non-stop going lower. 128.72 if it can hold it, 121.40, 125.48. Below that, those are the levels to just show you guys. To do LLY making a new all-time high, 645. Need to pass 645.52. Next target is 648.47. Above that, next major is 658.28. Pan W making not an all-time high yet. It's all about 328.97. If past that one, we can run up to 331, 334, 337. What else you got? MSTR is just non-stop falling until 4 hours not dead cross. It can continue fall. 469, 453, 84. Those are the next target. What else? PDD is the most interesting Chinese stock that is holding up and is strong, and that's probably I'm gonna replace it with Baba. Replace Baba with that. BDU gapping down. This one news hit over the weekend. It was interesting. It was super weak on Friday. And then a news came in that they're using their AI language in the military of China. So 103.58, if you can't hold it, 95.72 is the next major there. JP Morgan was very weak on Friday. It went up, then pulled back all the way down. So right now, next target there is 164.15, 161.21 until 4 hours. Now that cross and can continue going lower. 160 is possible to hit this week. What else? GS had an earning opening flat for now. It's possible same thing that JP Morgan happens to this one. If it happens, 367, 362 target. What else? AFRM breaking 40. Wow. Okay. 39 if it breaks. 39.93 if it breaks that one. We're looking at 37.93, 34.33. These names, Carvana, yeah, UPSC, they're all on the downside. But last one is MS. Microsoft I did already. I will do it again. Just a quick look. MS opening lower 2-3 points, so 86.48 if you can't hold it. We're looking at 85, 84.18. Microsoft again, just taking a look at it. Looking still bullish. If 15 and 30 MACD dead cross can give up all the gains and go lower. And keep an eye on Microsoft. If Microsoft goes lower, market can dump up bigger. Futures are red, but Microsoft is strong. If Microsoft joins, bigger red comes today. If Microsoft continues going higher, and maybe other small caps joins a little bit. Not expecting big ones like Apple. I don't expect goes green crazy today. So Microsoft, watch out for 397. That's the next major level. Very bullish on 15 and 31 hour everything right now. All right, thank you so much for tuning in and have a lovely day.